Dave here, how are you? I'm cutting a bit of Perspex. Now, I've tried cutting Perspex with my table saw with a specialized blade, and it was a fail. I didn't like it. It was melting more than actually cutting. I found that this little bandsaw with around about a 6 TPI 1/4 inch blade on it. That'd be around it, the standard blade that came with it. Great little saw. But I want to make sure that I don't pull this cable out. So what I'm doing is I'm going to rip a piece of pine. It's only a bit of scrap. Now, I'm not holding it against the fence, because I may have jammed it. Shut that down. Now I've got this piece here that I can put in line with the slot for changing the blade, which is basically my input line. And then I'll put this here and I will fasten it. Just cheap super glue, it's no one's special name. That'll do it. Put this down here, like so, in line where I want it. And this one over here. Pull it up tight. That should be just about set by now. You reckon? Sure is. I've left the protective coating on the back of the Perspex. This is how it comes. There's no need to hold that. It's not going anywhere. It's a T-square. And I can slide this along. There we go. Now I'm going to plane this with a hand plane after that's fallen down. The good thing about my bench is that it has these non-slip rubber sections across the front. So I'm not going to damage anything, even if I have to have the clean face against here. Throw these guys in. That's looking all right there. Pretty cool. This is all looked after at the back. Now I'm going to use the number 5 turner. You may notice that I've got my finger held under there and on the top here. I'm acting as a stop so the plane doesn't move around. And that, my friends, is that. That's how you cut and plane a nice piece of Perspex to get a really good finish. Look at that. I'll come in closer. Now, if I wanted to take it further, I could start sanding that. And I would possibly take it down to around about 800 grit on the sandpaper and then start with some polish. And it would be just like this. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll put a link down whichever side it is, and share, let your friends know if you're interested in this kind of stuff and someone else might be. Give them a shout, share me around. See you next time. Bye.